The solar system is made up of the Sun and everything that orbits around it, including planets, moons, asteroids, comets and meteoroids. It extends from the Sun, called Sol by the ancient Romans, and goes past the 4 inner planets, through the asteroid belt to the 4 gas giants and onto the disc-shaped Kuiper belt and far beyond to the teardrop-shaped heliopause. Scientists estimate that the edge of the solar system is about 9 billion miles, 15 billion kilometers, from the Sun. Beyond the heliopause lies the giant, spherical Oort cloud, which is thought to surround the solar system. For millennia, astronomers have followed points of light that seem to move among the stars. The ancient Greeks named them planets, meaning wanderers. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn were known in antiquity, and the invention of the telescope added the asteroid belt, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto and many of these worlds' moons. The dawn of the space age saw dozens of probes launched to explore our system, an adventure that continues today. There have been 5 human-made objects so far: Voyager 1, Voyager 2, New Horizons, Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11, that have crossed the threshold into interstellar space. The discovery of Eris kicked off a rush of new discoveries of dwarf planets, and eventually led to the International Astronomical Union revising the definition of a planet. The revision changed Pluto's status from planet to dwarf planet in 2006, a decision that remains controversial, especially after the New Horizons mission found immense geological variety on the world in 2015. Astronomers are now hunting for another planet in our solar system, a true 9th planet, after evidence of its existence was unveiled on January 20, 2016. The so-called Planet 9, as scientists are calling it, is about 10 times the mass of Earth and orbits the Sun as close as 200 astronomical units, AU. 1 AU is the distance from Earth to the Sun, about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometer. Many scientists think our solar system formed from a giant, rotating cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula. As the nebula collapsed because of its gravity, it spun faster and flattened into a disk. Most of the material was pulled toward the center to form the Sun. Other particles within the disk collided and stuck together to form asteroid-sized objects named as planetesimals, some of which combined to become the asteroids, comets, moons and planets. The solar wind from the Sun was so powerful that it swept away most of the lighter elements, such as hydrogen and helium, from the innermost planets, leaving behind mostly small, rocky worlds. The solar wind was much weaker in the outer regions, however, resulting in gas giants made up mostly of hydrogen and helium.